Okay, welcome to the class of biology. Today, with me, your teacher, Mr. A Plus, we are going to look at our topic in biology. Okay, so we are still looking at cell division. Okay, so to some of you who are following me step by step, you are able to detect how we are moving. Okay. So we just completed meiosis type of cell division. Now we are going to look at meiosis. Okay. So now, what is this type of cell division called meiosis? Meiosis is the reductive division of germ cells. Okay. Reductive division of germ cells into 4 sex cells, each with half the number of parental cell chromosomes. That is meiosis. So this one is different from mitosis cell division. So now, what is this germ cell? So a germ cell is a cell that gives rise to gametes, that is sperm and ovum. So specifically, when you are talking about meiosis, we are talking about cells to do with the sperm and ovum. Okay. So the second point under meiosis, these cells undergo meiosis to reduce their chromosome number from 46 to 23 and mature into sperm in males and ovum in females. Okay, so if you can recall very well, when we are looking at mitosis uh, maintains the number of chromosomes of the parental cell as well as the daughter cell. But for this one, those cells, they are being divided, okay, into 2, okay. That is 23 chromosomes. So as a daughter cell this time around have how many cells? Is getting, chromosomes, is getting 23 chromosomes from each parent, 23 from female, then 23 from male. That is the father and the mother. Okay. Now, let us also look at the importance of this type of cell division called meiosis. So the importance of meiosis, one of them is the formation of gametes. So had it not been for this type of cell division, there would be no formation of what? Gametes. So this type of cell division is very, very important to a human being. Not only the human being, but as well as anything that breathes, including the plants. 2, maintenance of chromosomes number constant from generation to generation. So it also helps to maintain the number of chromosomes from one generation to another. Then 3, production variation offsprings. It also helps in variation. Actually, we'll be able to look at this one as we are moving on. Variation under genetics, and that is where we are heading to. Okay, so these are some of the importance of meiosis. Then let us also look at the stages of meiosis. So one of them is prophase. Just like in mitosis, there is also prophase. Now under prophase, the chromatin condenses into chromosomes. So chromatin is actually found inside the nucleus of a cell. Okay, so those chromatin condenses to form what? Chromosomes under prophase. Then the other point under prophase, want to know what happens under this stage. The nucleus disassembles and disappears. So it is during this stage when the nucleus disassembles and disappears. Okay. Then the other one is centrioles migrate to opposite poles of the cell. Those centrioles, they migrate now to opposite poles of the cell. Then the other one, the last one, under prophase, crossover occurs. So this is the time when the crossover occurs. The crossover occurs at the prophase stage. What is this crossover? We need to understand it. So this is the reciprocal exchange of genetic materials between homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes are two pieces of chromosome that carry the same genes. Okay, so we are saying crossover occurs. This crossover is the reciprocal exchange of genetic material between homologous chromosomes. So we have heard that homologous chromosomes are two pieces of chromosomes that carry the same genes. Okay, then simply put, they are a pair of chromosomes with the similar genetic material. Each pair of homologous chromosomes originate from a what? A different parent. One from the father and the other one from the what? The mother. So this is basically what happens under prophase stage of meiosis. So thank you so very much for your attention. Please continue. We are going to finish the stages of meiosis as we are going on, because they are about, we are remaining with the 7 because they are 8. Okay, so in our next lesson, we are going to look at these other stages of meiosis. Thank you so very much.